Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you a Throwback Thursday using the Glamlite Cookies N Creme palette. So, if you want to see how we get this look from this palette, just keep watching. Alright guys, so this is what the palette looks like. I've never used it. She is pretty. I really want the other one, honestly, but that's fine. Roll up the sleeves. I did already roll for our numbers, so those will be going. We got first the number 2, which these don't have shade names, but this is the brown. Ooh, that's nice. Then we got shade 5, which is this like icy blue, which is gonna be my inner corner shade. Then we got shade 3, which is such an interesting shimmer shade. Like, I don't even know what you would call that, but that is so pretty. And then shade 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is our other matte, which is a darker, like, gray. And then our last shade is shade 6, which is another, it's going to be a very dark look. We got another, like, blue shimmer. So there's our look. Well, there's our shades, I should say. I am going to prime with my Julep eyeshadow stick. I think today's the day that it's going to be done, because that's it. Oh yeah, it's going to be done. It's scraping my eyeball. You guys, we're going to live finish an eyeshadow stick. Oh my god. That's crazy. So, I'm trying to think. I haven't tried very many Glamlite palettes, to be honest, even though I have quite a few. I got this one from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. To me, Marshalls and TJ Maxx are literally the same thing. They're the same store. So I'm going to start all over the crease, deep in the crease, outer third, middle third, inner corner. That's what I'm thinking. I might mix those two shades up, but that is what I'm thinking. Ooh, powdery. Ooh, it's not as warm on the eye either as it looks in the pan, so that's nice. I got worried with this shade that like we were going to have a mix of a warm and cool toned eye, which isn't the end of the world, but I'm getting over being sick, as you guys have heard and seen in videos, but I'm finally almost better. I think. I can breathe out of my nose a little bit. I'm starting to smell again. So I think we're getting there. I really hate being immunocompromised because Ian was literally sick for 3 days. That was it. And literally on day 3, he was totally fine. He was just like, I have a little cough still. That was it. This is my second time being sick. I've been sick now for like 12 weeks because I was sick, and then I was fine for like 2 weeks, and then I got sick again. So, I hate it. Like, the only time I leave the house is to go grocery shopping and to go to doctor's appointments. So, I don't know how I constantly end up sick. I go to a friend. I have one friend who actually lives here in my town, and I only see them like once every 3 months. I really like that color. I'm building it up ever so slowly because I just, want to see where we get it. Alright, now we're going to go into a brush. I'm going to take the shade 7. This is a darker shade. Ever so gently. And I'm really going to just like concentrate it and then we'll blend it out. Besides being sick, I've done like absolutely nothing lately. I've been very boring. Which, I mean, I guess is a good thing. You should probably be doing nothing when you're sick. But I've hated it. I hate it. Well, I don't like this gray shade as much. And I don't know if these shades mesh together. But that's sometimes what happens in the palette bingo is the shades don't always really go together, but like in the camera, it doesn't look horrible. It's not giving what I thought it was going to give. And sometimes that happens. Lower lash line. The mattes are nice. Granted, I'm only using 2. There's only, 6 mattes out of 12. So half the palette. Okay. Like I said, I don't think it looks horrible. I think it looks murky, though. And then we'll get out glitter glue. Now the question is, do I do a nude lip? Do I do a fancy lip? That's the big question, is what do I do? Oh man, I'm so upset, you guys. And I'm gonna have to see what Ian wants to do about this because I haven't told him yet. He's at work. So I bought it off Amazon, not off TikTok. But one of these little screens so you can use your back camera but still see yourself. My phone doesn't have screen mirroring, so I can't use it. I can use it with my tablet, but my tablet has the camera of like, I can't even tell you. It's horrible. The front camera on this phone is 4 times better than the back-facing camera on that tablet. So I'm not recording on the tablet. Like, that's just not happening. What one do I want on that outer corner? You know what? I think I'm going to put the neutral on the outer corner so we get neutral into blues. Oh, that shade is pretty. And these are a beautiful texture. Oh, I love that. And then we go into the icy blue. But yeah, and I can't return it. I have tried to do the Amazon return like 3 times, and it just doesn't let you click OK to go any further. Even after I've done all the baloney of typing out what happened and why I want to return it and all of that. Okay. I love this icy blue. It's giving Ice Dream from Colourpop. So that's the eye look. I honestly could do eyeliner with this, but we're not. We're not. So normally I would do the other eye off camera, and I'm going to, but I'm going to do the eye primer with you guys so we can see the empty live, ow, on camera. Ow. Ow. Alright, I'm calling it because it's scraping my eye. So that is the first shadow stick I have ever finished. And that's so cool. Have you guys ever finished a shadow stick? Please let me know. What are your favorite shadow sticks? I mean, I don't think anything will ever replace how much I love these julep shadow sticks. And I'm so sad to see it go. I kind of want to go buy another one. But I'm going to go do the other off camera, go get the rest of my makeup together, and then we'll talk about the palette. Here we go. Finished look. I don't love how warm my lip is, but like, I got a lot of cool tone lips that I'm working on. Like, I have the one, but I didn't want to wear it. Please tell me it doesn't look horrible with the look. So, the palette. I don't know. I don't think that this matte belongs with the rest of the palette. I think if you cover that matte up, everything else looks like it goes, but that matte just doesn't feel like it belongs with the palette, which is why I feel like I don't love the look overall, but it's not horrible. Like, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. The shimmers are to die for, and I need 800 of them. And I love it. So this is absolutely a palette I'll be keeping. I just don't know how much use I'll get out of this one shade, but the rest of the palette, your damn Skippy I will. I don't know if it makes me think of a cookies and cream Hershey bar. I'm losing my smell that I could smell this morning, but it doesn't smell like anything to me. So, but that's gonna do it. Everything that's on my face is always in the description box in case you're wondering what else I put on. But yeah, I can't believe we emptied out a shadow stick. This is like one of the biggest, this might be one of the biggest accomplishments of the year. I'm calling it now. So this is definitely going to be a keep. Let me know, do you have this palette in your collection? Do you love it? Do you have the other one, the brown one? I think it's just the Hershey bar, but it's the brown one. Do you like that one? I'd love to know any of your questions, comments, concerns, all the things in the comments down below, as I love chatting with you guys there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.